Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford F-150. We're talking about that generation year 2015, 16, 17. If you need to find where the fuse for the power steering assist is located, guys, stay with us. We'll explain which fuse you need to check for the power steering, guys, where it's located, where to buy cheap fuses from, and why it's important to test fuses and relays. That way you don't waste your time and money. All that will be covered today. Make sure to stay until the end. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car that we'll get here at the garage, we'll try to make every single fuse video and show you where it's located. Why we do that? Because if you're in the middle of the road, guys, in the middle of nowhere, and you need to find that fuse specifically, it will take you a shorter amount of time to just search for that video instead of looking for the manual in your glove box. And most of the times, people lose their manuals. And if you don't know which fuse, let's say, to replace for ignition coils, fuel injectors, fuel pump, you may be just stuck in the middle of nowhere. So that's why we are making all these videos, guys. We're constantly working here at the garage. We're taking things apart, as you can see. And if you want to check out, guys, we have 3 channels that altogether have more than 1.1 million subscribers. Okay, we have all the mechanical work there. This channel that you're watching right now, we're going to list, okay, the fuse videos here so we can save you guys time, money, and we can make it conveniently for you guys. So let's start on it now. So we'll demonstrate here on 2016 Ford F-150 that we have here at the garage, guys. 2016. If you open the hood on your Ford F-150, you're going to notice, guys, okay, now that right under the hood, that's your engine bay, that's your car battery. Right behind it, if we zoom in a little bit, you can clearly see that you have a fuse box right here, guys. That's the cover for the fuse box. And once you open that cover, you're going to see a fuse layout that looks just like this one. Now, this will be the front of the truck. That's where the car battery will be located. That's over the windshield side. Before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. That way you don't waste time and money. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So the power steering assist fuse, where it's located. As you can see, guys, you have different kinds of fuses, relays that could be Ford specific. They can be hard to find in small towns or impossible to find or really overpriced at the parts store. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them from at a good price, quick shipping. Check it out for your convenience, guys. Now, the fuse for the power steering assist will be in that fuse box right here, and if you come in that row, okay, right there, the very bottom fuse on the left side, guys, that 10M fuse is known as fuse number 105. That fuse is for the power steering assist that you will need to check. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.